I'm gonna get back when I feel like, you know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word, like, you know I don't play right. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like, you know I don't play. Put up a good fight. Just give me good fight. Damn right. You know I play right. Put up a good fight. You know I don't play right.
So I am here at Joetech, and it is time to go meet face to face for the first time Kenny Tran, which we've known each other for so many years, but I've never seen him in person. Kind of weird when you think about it. So gonna go inside, check out what he's got going on, see what he's up to lately. Obviously I know some things that you see online, but yeah, so let's go in and check out Mr. Tran.
So there's only a few cars that we specialize in. I think there's like 7 or 8 cars, like the Nissan GTR, mostly what you see here.
Yeah.
The McLarens, the Lambo Huracan R8, we twin turbo charge them. Porsches, we do upgrade turbos. Same thing with the new C8. We offer the ETS twin turbo kit for that. So all these cars, we have packages for them. We can add anywhere between 50 to 1,500 horsepower on top of what factory are making. So the modification consists of anywhere between just full bolt-ons, exhaust sparks tuning, all the way on up to fully built engine and fully built gearbox.
So somebody wanted the twin turbo for the C8. What would that run them approximately?
Anywhere between 30 to 60,000, depending on what kind of power level they're looking for. And hang on, we'll let this car run real quick. That's a good one. Hey, y'all want to take a bet? I say that's a 1,600 hit right there. 1357. Huh? 1357. Plus or minus 50? 1358. I say
let's say 14.
1570 right there. Plus or minus 30. 2 cents.
23 and 3/8.
We're fucking up Kip's measurement. Kip, it's 23 and 3/16. But yeah, so it just depends on what kind of power levels and how deep they want to dig into the motor. We can upgrade the turbos without building the engine, or we can build the engine. We can add the port injection or keep the factory fuel system. We can add piggyback ECU or not. We can do the clutch, or it's just so many different levels to it. Just gotta sit down and take a look and see what fits your budget and what kind of performance level you're looking for.
There's not many people like you left, like that are.
Well, there's plenty of people.
I mean, not really though. I mean, there's wannabe people like you.
I've been doing it for a long time. There's no doubt about that.
We
got great staying power, and I have a good crew that's working with us, so we've been able to sustain for a long time. But yeah, it's
true.
It's been man. I used to buy parts from you 27 years ago, so it's kind of weird that we're having this conversation right now.
Because we've never, like I was telling people earlier when I was at Mark, like we've never met face to face before.
Right.
And it's so weird knowing you and knowing.
I know I wrote you a lot of checks.
Yeah. But knowing each other for so long, it's weird to kind of face to face meet you. It's kind of cool. It's surreal, but just because you're so prolific in this industry, an industry that, I mean, granted, over the years I've kind of gotten out of a little bit. I've more focused, more specialized in one specific thing.
Yeah.
Which originally wasn't my choice. It was kind of more the demand because just my brain with the doors works a specific way, and then it's grown and grown and grown, and now we start manufacturing our own stuff, and it's been fun, but it's not been what my I guess my heritage or my core was in the
Yeah.
beginning stages.
Who knows? You never know.
You never know.
One thing will always lead to another, right?
Yeah, it's true. I mean,
Yeah.
once we get all of the rest of our CNC stuff, like our mills and stuff,
Yeah.
I'm thinking about getting into more of the machining of the performance parts again at
Yeah.
some point in time. And
Yeah.
I want to do exhaust. I want to do, I want to do suspension stuff.
Yeah.
But be able to manufacture it, in house would be kind of detrimental.
Yeah. And we'll
Eventually.
see where the industry is headed. Right now, it's kind of up in the air. People don't, people are saying, oh, it's great to get into electric cars and such. I mean, it's not. I mean, let's be real.
Get a tow truck. I mean, own a tow truck, and then you're in the electric market. You're gonna
Yeah.
be towing them when they die on the side of the roads.
I'm a dinosaur.
Yeah.
I like the ICE engine. It's simple, it works, and we know how
Yep.
to control it.
Yep.
Yeah. This one is cool. It's brand new. It's a 2024. You send it directly here from the dealership, and as you can tell, we gutted the whole car and fully building it. He shipped it down from Minnesota, so it's a pretty special car for us to be able to work on it. Brand new from scratch. I mean, we're the first one to touch it. So you can see, same thing. Billet gears, billet everything, fully built trans, fully built engine, and we get to outfit it with a lot of bells and whistles.
Yeah.
So carbon ceramic brakes, full suspension is going in, everything that you can think of, man. It's getting a full Motec system with 12-inch dash. This one you can't see right now, but I'll send you some videos to take a look at it.
Yeah.
It has our stealth roll cage in there.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, so it's an NHRA
already been
certified
wrapped.
roll cage in there. And it's all hidden behind all the A, B, C pillars. So you
Oh,
can't
is
even
it?
see
Wow.
Yeah, so all the factory
That's impressive.
panels, headliners, everything covers it, so you
Wow.
can't even see it. Very similar to this one here. So this is Luna's car. It's my wife's car. So she won the 2K 2 years ago. So we're revamping her engine right now. If you roll your camera in there, you can see it has the stealth cage also.
These pillars come off. And I'll show the cage. It's like just two bolts.
Wow.
In the trunk, you'll see the two down bars. But there's I guess you can see this, the 8
It's
Yeah,
right
a little
here.
bit. Yeah, going through on the headliner. Yeah.
contains factory seatbelts. So
Wow.
still a street car. Then you got these two little tabs hanging out right here.
Yeah.
Just for the harness.
So you can see the down bars here in the trunk.
Oh yeah. Yeah. That's an old front clip right there, hanging up. That's from your
That's
The
from
Civic,
that's
right?
from
Yeah.
the Honda Civic days.
the world's fastest naturally aspirated, wasn't it?
Turbo.
Was it turbo?
Yeah, it was turbo. Yeah, single turbo. It had the record at one point. I think the top speed was like 184 mile an hour. I don't know, back in 2003 or
Yeah, I was gonna
4
say
or
it was
something like
early
that.
2000s.
Yeah, that was pretty fast for back then.
Didn't you have a naturally aspirated one though?
No, I never ran naturally
No?
aspirated. Yeah, we had some nitrous car early in the days.
Did you?
Yeah, late 90s. Yeah.
That's a massive intercooler.
Yeah. So this one's supposed to run at 2K, and as you can tell, the motor just got in yesterday, and we're building a custom harness for it. Piping's not done yet, so the guy's gonna be burning the midnight oil here from now till then. Man, I'm sorry it looks messy right now, but they know exactly where everything is, so I'm not even gonna mess around and mess it up for them.
If you came to Phoenix and saw my shop, I have got Roombas running 24/7, vacuuming, cleaning. Like, I'm a OCD.
OCD,
is
yeah.
is crazy.
Yeah, it's hard. It's hard to do at doing TX2K. Usually we're pretty well organized.
Yeah.
But when this race comes around, man, I mean, my shop, my house, my closet, everything, my whole life is just
Chaos.
chaos.
Oh, I get it. So, do you do any machining at all here?
No, we sub out all the machining stuff. So when you get your CNC machine, just hit me up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can come down and play with them.
One is about to go in, and this just got to complete by in 10 days also.
Wow.
Yeah.
Pretty fast turnaround times then.
Yeah, yeah. Yep, so here's the 12-inch
Motor.
LCD. So that's getting custom mounted into the factory dash. All the piping's got to get done. Got to get it powder coated to match. Same thing with the brake calipers. There's a lot of details that go into it.
Yeah.
If we didn't have to put all the details into it, it'll be a much quicker turnaround. But it's all the little things.
Yeah.
So we're waiting for Titanium Works in Canada to send us the titanium bolts. We're waiting for Powder Coating Company to give us all the piping.
You
back.
get your bolts done in Canada? Your titaniums?
I think they're based in Canada.
Is it naked titanium, or are you having
Naked.
them tinted?
Yeah,
Is it-
just
okay,
naked titanium.
Same
Huh?
with ours.
Did I win my 2 cents from Luke? What's the number?
I said
15,
I said
70.
1420.
The last one was 1580.
Daddy knows, Christian.
I said 23. He's like, damn.
Daddy
I
knows.
was like,
So what's up with the Huracan?
Just body kits, wraps, wheels, suspension, fixing his rear camera.
Fixing it?
What's that?
Fixing it?
Fixing it, yeah. He had a mishap with the exhaust system. Let's just say we didn't do it, and it kind of melted some stuff back here, and we're just doing some simple repairs for him.